Hello everyone, this is Roger Lloyd from the carpet cleaning world, and this is another Pro's Choice, that's CTI's Pro's Choice moment in time. So, it's Monday, so I call CTI, I put in my order, and they say, "Hey Roger, how you doing, man?" I said, "I'm okay, I guess." I said, "I'm a little stressed out." They said, "What you stressed out for, Roger?" I said, "Okay, well, I had this realtor. She called me, and she said, Roger, I'm trying to sell a house, and it has all these odors in it." She said, "It has urine odor. It has from cats and dogs." And she said, "It's just horrible." And so I said, "Oh, well, ma'am, don't worry about it." I said, "Well, I'm an indoor air quality specialist, so I can take care of all those urine odors for you." And she said, "Oh, really?" I said, "Yes." She said, "Great. So I don't have to worry about the smoke odors or the cooking odors either?" I was like, "Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa." I said, "I could take care of the urine odor." And she said, "Well, didn't you just tell me, Roger, that you were an indoor air quality specialist? Isn't that what you said?" I said, hey. She said, "Well, I need someone to take care of these other odors too." So I said, "So CTI, I'm stressed out because I don't know what to do." And so, as CTI, Pro's Choice always says, "Well, Roger, we might be able to help you out." I said, "How you going to help me out with cooking odor and smoke odors?" They said, "Well, Roger, what about ozone?" I said, "Ozone?" They said, "Yes, ozone." They said, "Now, no one can be in the house, not even the pets." So they said, "You can use the ozone machine and put a timer in it for 8 hours, or if it's severe odors, up to 24 hours. They said, "Now, when you set it up, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. But when you go back in, you want to make sure you ventilate the property well. And make sure you kind of hold your breath till you unplug the ozone machine or wear a respiratory mask." And I was like, "Really?" They were like, "Yeah." That's like, "That really works." They were like, "Yeah." I said, "I've heard about ozone for years, but I didn't really get into it like that." And so they said, "Well, about our vapory delivery tunnel?" I was like, "Yeah, that's what I'm using right here. This is what I'm going to use to take care of the urine odor that are in the air." They were like, "Right." They said, "So now, while you have that going, you can also take care of the cooking odors and the smoke odors that she's speaking of with our ozone machine." And they said, "You know what? Just so you make sure you time it right, we'll even give you a timer so it'll shut it off after the timer hits 8 hours or 24 hours. I said, "Really?" They said, "Yeah." I said, "Oh, man, you got to be kidding me right now." So I said, "Well, CTI, I can't take this back to the carpet cleaning world at full price. So what you going to do for us?" They said, "Well, you know what, Roger? We'll slash it 20% just for you." I said, "Man, you guys are too good to be true." I said, "CTI, Pro's Choice, has done it again." So we have the Vapory Delivery Tunnel 4200 for urine odors and other psychological odors. And then we got the ozone machine with the timer for, what is it, $476 when it's normally about $600? Are you kidding me right now? They said, "No, Roger, man. It is what it is." I said, "Okay." I said, "Well, you know what? How are we going to get this out?" They said, "You know what we're going to do. We're going to send you a link. It's going to be good for 1 week. And you give the link to your guys, and they click the link, click, push, and pay. And then they got an ozone machine. But you know what? We won't stop there. We'll also discount the Vapory Delivery Tunnel for you as well. So you really can be an indoor air quality specialist, just like you told the lady. Okay, Roger, man? I said, oh, man, CTI, Pro's Choice. Yes, everyone. Did you hear what they said to me? This is a good deal, guys. And ladies. Well, that's it for me. Once again, this has been a Pro's Choice, a CTI's Pro's Choice moment in time. This is Roger Lloyd from the carpet cleaning world. Make sure you purchase your discounted VDT Vapory Delivery Tunnel 4200 and your ozone machine X500 from yours CTI Pro's Choice. The link will be right above this video so you can get this crazy deal. And then you can be one thing. You really can be an indoor air quality specialist. Thank you and good night.